YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Today's video is on a new tool I'm using to break the bead on tires. Oh my goodness, do I love this little guy. This is the Bead Buster. This is it right here. And we're getting ready to use it instead of the old way that I used to do it. This is what it looks like on the box. The old way that I used to do it, like this, some of you may remember from my other video. No. So now we're going to use the Bead Buster. Man, is it awesome. There are several different sizes of this. I think this is the smallest one. So let's get started and I'll show you how it works. After we use the Bead Buster, we'll be removing and mounting these new tires using my latest upgrade on the Harbor Freight tire changer, Lucid Auto Works. But that's not in this video, so be sure to log on and check it out. Okay, so the Bead Buster, it has this rubber part, which this rubber part here contacts your rim so it doesn't scratch it. And this little handle is what you use to shove these three blades under the rim on the outside. So you use something like this, push down, and you work it in, okay? Then you tighten this bolt. And it snugs it up good, up under the rim. Then this one pushes down the tongue. Look at that. Loosen this up, and that bead is broken. That is effortless. This is what happens when we tighten this down. The center part of this tongue comes out like that and breaks the bead. One more time. Take your handle, shove it under the rim. Snug up the outside, not too much, and then break the bead. This is much easier than fighting with the Harbor Freight manual one, where you crank on this. I am sold. This is easier, cleaner, and I love it. Didn't even need to go all the way down on that one. And there it is. The size that I got is, the size of this one is the BX-455. BX-455. There you go. That's the Bead Buster. Thanks for watching. Be sure and watch my next video on using the Lucid Auto Works mount and dismount tool upgrade on the Harbor Freight tire dismount tool. Have a nice day.